or you can also call them shark fish croquettes, and they're super simple to make and they taste simply delicious. It goes best, I mean, my favorite is to have this with some Mori ambotik or shark fish ambotik, which I will be leaving a link down below if I've uploaded that first, or I will be uploading it soon, because I made both these recipes on the same day, so I will be sharing both of these recipes. So this is super simple, and it is even a very good tiffin item, something you can carry with you to work or give it to your kids, and it's even a good starter, so you can even serve it to your guests as a starter. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead in today's recipe. So let's get started with today's recipe. So here I've taken a medium-sized shark fish, which has got cleaned, and I'm just going to immerse it into water and let it come to a boil, and you will see the color change from a pink to a white, and we have to boil this for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we can just take a fork or a kind of a tong and just check whether the flesh is loose, is soft enough, and that means your fish is ready. So now we just have to let it cool completely to room temperature. Then we're just going to take off the bone. There's just one single bone, and then we're just going to mash it up with a fork. Now I'm just making about 8 croquettes, so depending upon the size, how many croquettes you want, you can use that amount of fish. So now we're just going to transfer this to a bowl, to which we are going to add all our other ingredients. So now to this, after mashing it completely, I'm just going to add about 1 light green chili, which I've chopped finely, along with some shredded ginger, about half an inch of ginger. Then goes in 1 medium-sized onion chopped finely and some chopped coriander. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm also going to be adding about half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric. And then of course some salt to taste. Now we're going to mix everything well together, and now just to give it some body, we're going to add some pieces of sliced bread. You can also use pieces of pav. And then we're going to again mix everything very, very well, so that everything gets combined together well, and the flavors of the chili and the ginger and everything gets well mixed together. So just with your fingers, just mash up everything well together. And you have to add as much, the bread has to be added just to give enough body so that you can make a croquet, form a croquet. So if you find that your mixture is a little wet, then just add a little more breadcrumbs and you're set. Now I'm just taking some breadcrumbs and I'm just going to make it into a croquet shape, and I'm just going to roll them into this breadcrumbs and then keep them aside to be shallow fried later. Now if you find that your mixture has become too dry, all you got to do is just add a little bit of beaten egg, and that will make it perfect. So you can always make these ahead of time and store them in your refrigerator and just fry them when required. Don't keep your mixture too long in the refrigerator, maybe a day or 2. And now all we have to do is just fry them, shallow fry them, till they're nice and golden brown in color. These are simply delicious, and you can use the same recipe to make other fish croquettes with bhangra or mackerel, or even with pomfret, anything which is a little fleshy fish and which you can easily make some croquettes with, and then it becomes nice and golden brown in color like this. You can eat them plain with some ketchup, or you can have it with some sorak and rice, dal and rice. And my favorite combination is always ambotik rice, these croquettes, and a little bit of pickle at the side. enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. It's super simple and simply delicious. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, because I need those big thumbs ups by hitting the thumbs up icon. Also, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below this video. And once you have subscribed, it will show you a small bell. Go and click on it, because that way, whenever I put up a video or a vlog, or I'm just online, doing a live streaming, wanting to chat with all of you, then you'll get a message for the same, so you can join me on my live streaming chat, and also you come to know when I've put up a new recipe. So saying that, I'd like to end this video here. So have a great day, have a great week, have a great month, have a great year, and stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. So I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off till we meet again. Bye.